Today we're in the shop looking at a little bit different kind of featherboard. It's the Hedgehog, and as you can see from other featherboards, it looks quite a bit different. So let's take a look at how it works. As you can see, it has a miter bar on the bottom like most other featherboards that'll lock into your miter slot. But the feature on this featherboard that's a little bit different, it only has one knob, which makes it pretty convenient. You can bring in your workpiece, just set it back a little bit from where your blade is, and you kind of roll the pressure in, and you just tighten down that one knob. On most featherboards, you're going to find that they have two knobs, so this is a little bit more convenient. And I really do like that feature. And like most other featherboards, it's got the one-way pressure with these fingers, allowing you to push your workpiece through the blade. And then those fingers, if there's any chance of the piece kicking back at you, should catch and prevent that. Another feature with this and most other featherboards is that you can get an adapter piece that if you get more than one of these featherboards, you can stack them up. If you're using taller workpieces, or you have your workpiece on edge as you push it through the blade. In conclusion, I found this featherboard really convenient to use. With only having that one knob and this kind of oval shape, it's really easy to adjust on the fly. And the best part is you can not only use it here on the table saw, but you can take it over to the router table or bandsaw as well. So if you don't already have a featherboard, I'd recommend taking a look at the Hedgehog and see what you think. You can purchase one from Amazon in the links below, and we do have an extra set of these to give away. So if you're interested in our free set, let us know in the comments below, or let us know what featherboard you use and how you like it. Thanks.